Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a power seat, front fog lights, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.